Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can add a new account to your Telegram X app. Before that, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Now let's get started. First, open the Telegram X app on your mobile. Then on the top left of your screen, tap on the 3-bar menu and then tap on your name/number. Then you can see the option of add account. Tap on it. Add the new number that you'd like to make a new account with. After that, you'll be sent an SMS with a confirmation code to your phone number. After you verify using the confirmation code, you'll be logged in to your new account. To switch, you simply do the same. You simply go to the 3-barred icon on the top left of your screen, you tap on it and then drop down and select the account you want to switch to. And that's how you add a new account to your Telegram X. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.